Philippine champion. Nag-umpisa yun sa Pulot Boy, doon sa Albay. Alala ko yan. Kasi nag-summer camp rin ako doon, nakikilala ko yung younger brother. Yeah.
So yung members nyo ng UAP ba, alam nila na na ikaw ay nag-Pulot Boy?
Hindi.
Wow. So ngayon alam na nila. Nakikinig po ba sila?
Yung iba, siguro.
Yung iba, okay.
May mga nag-like nga dito, maraming kagrupo mo eh.
That's good. So tanong ko lang, Architect Ronald, kamusta naman ang grupo nyo? Ilan ba ang active members? Ilan yung inactive? Ilan yung umuwi na ng Pilipinas or they had moved somewhere else because, we had experienced recession for the past several years?
Meron po tayong tawag na good standing members. So, around po sila na 211.
Uy, marami
Marami
yan.
rin, ha?
When you say good standing, yan yung mga bayad at saka active?
Yes.
Okay.
Especially bayad.
Meron din
good standing,
meron din tayo mga more than 100 na inactive.
For some reasons, busy?
Hindi naman. Yung iba po, sorry pala, yung iba na transfer sa ibang lugar.
Doha probably.
Singapore, ganyan.
Singapore. Okay. But,
pero pinag-usapan natin is Dubai only.
Oo, Dubai chapter.
Meron pa tayong counterpart which is Abu Dhabi.
But, you know what? When we saw you last time, nakakatuwa kasi alam mong feel mong feme kasi lahat sila naka-gown, naka-suit. Feels good to be with all these Filipinos looking so dashing and beautiful in there. Tsaka hindi yung smile is different. Siguro dahil the spirit there is really
kasi yung mga
celebration.
Out-taking kasi ng mga board passers eh.
Gusto mo ba, meron ka bang mensahe sa kanila habang gising pa sila at nakikinig sa inyo, Presidente?
First of all, binabati ko yung mga bagong pasa. So,
ilan po ba sila?
59.
Okay.
At mamaya tatawagan natin yung isa.
59 from Dubai and 27 from Abu Dhabi.
Is this the biggest or ito ba yung pinakamadami?
Pangilang batch pala to, yung passers, doon na-introduce yung board exams dito.
Pangatlo na po yan.
Pangatlo? So, halos sabay kayo ng-peak pa, so, ibig sabihin, sabay-sabay talaga sa Middle East in-implement yung Philippine Regulatory Commission na examination. Pati yata mga engineers, meron din eh. Sige. Anyway, Blue, mag-break tayo, no? Sige, kung may mga message na kayo or may mga katanungan kay Architect Ronald Salcedo, paki-text lang po sa 4001 or paki-shout na lang sa FEME wall or sa Filipino Rhythm Dubai 103.8. Babalik po kami.
You look happy. I've just been promoted after just 3 weeks. Our CEO is pushing the Go Green in the Office message big time. And I knew of Xerox's new Color Cube series of solid ink printers and multifunction devices. We upgraded and have cut our waste from printers and copiers by 90%. And we're making big savings too.
90%? Who did you call?
Xerotech.
For all of your Xerox products and services, Google Xerotech UAE. That's Xeratech. Or visit xerotechuae.com. Xerox, ready for real business.
The voices of our satisfied customers.
Door-to-door kahit saan sa Pinas.
Very reliable at talagang safe.
May 8 branches all over the Emirates.
They're talking about the pioneer in cargo industry since 1983. Frico International, serving the Filipino through Trico International in the Philippines. Frico International, call 04-393-3030. Frico International, trusted by over 1 million customers worldwide.
Take control of your financial future. If you're coachable, have the willingness to improve your financial status, then learn to trade Forex, futures, options, NASDAQ stocks and Indian stocks in the physical asset classes with the practice of real trading, live data feeds, real money, and hands-on experience from our qualified instructors. Get lifetime support as a mover and shaker or market maker. Visit them and attend a free half-day class. tradingacademy.com/Dubai or call 800-OTA.
Filipino Rhythm, brought to you by Al Ansari Exchange. Post your transaction number on our Facebook page and win an iPad 2.
Magandang gabi po, kayo po yung nakikinig sa programang Filipino Excellence in the Middle East. Yung mga nag-tune in pa lang ngayon, ang mag-guest natin ay mga architects po. So napakinggan na po ninyo ang unang guest natin, si Architect Ronald Salcedo, ang presidente ng United Architects of the Philippines, Dubai Chapter. Ang next guest po natin, siya po isang, of course, architect nga, as mentioned earlier, Pero project manager siya ng isang interior design company. 10 years na po siyang naging architect. Ang maganda sa kanya, yung check, yung pinabasa namin yung background niya ay as an interior designer or part of this European interior design company, ay nakapag-design po siya ng palasyo, sa loob ng palasyo, wag natin sabihin kung saan, at nakapag-design rin po siya ng isang malaking residence ng Hariri family ng Lebanon, pero yung residence na ito sa Geneva, Switzerland. So, ibig sabihin, kahit di pa napasukan to, alam niya na yung itsura ng mga palasyo at ng mga residence itong powerful and rich people. Ito, siya po, tagapakinig, siya po si Architect Melden Rose Francia. Good evening, Melden.
Good evening, Art and Elle. Good evening.
Welcome to the show. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
Oo. Si Ronald, architect, sabi niya kanina, anong maging architect? Pagdi-design ng building. Pero ikaw, architect ka, as project manager ng interior design. So, ano pagkakaiba nito?
Kasi yung profession namin na as architects, napaka-versatile. You could go into one part of it and then to others. Yung iba, the more fortunate ones, they really go into architecture itself, yung designing, yung building, yun yung pinag-aralan namin.
Okay. Yun ang main, yun ang core.
Yun yung core profession per se. But marami pang ibang pwedeng puntahan eh. Like me, I just fell into interior design kasi that was the job given dito sa Middle East.
Okay.
And you grew into that job.
Yes, But I never really thought na,
I'd
go into interior design.
At tapos mag-bloom ka doon.
But it was parang one of the courses din naman sa curriculum namin in college, pero it was tackled very slightly lang.
So anong interior design?
Well, interior designing is yun nga, from the word itself,
sa loob.
yun sa loob ng anything, all the elements within a building. So dun mo mapapakita kung how you could improve yung pamumuhay ng isang tao or in an institution, 'di ba? Educational or a hotel or any of that, like a studio, yun.
So pag external design, architect na yon, design ng building.
Most likely the skeleton of it all.
Okay.
Yan,
So ano itong ginawa mo palasyo? Anong interior design ginawa mo sa palasyo?
Yung isa doon, it was actually it was given to our company. By the way, my company Samuel Creations. Our mother company is in Geneva, and so Dubai here is for hotel and hospitality projects yun.
Okay.
So anyway, yung they needed our help lang because the design was it's from Abu Dhabi.
Okay.
So yun.
Palasyo sa Abu Dhabi.
Okay. Yun. I won't say na lang kung
sige.
sino. But yun, so we had to design one of their the master bedroom. So syempre the client would say make it for me, 'di ba? So it had to have arabesque feeling, ganyan. Tapos but with a mix of contemporary. So ayun, masaya siyang gawin kasi intricate yung mga details, yung mga
They
patterns.
They love that, huh?
Kasi it comes with their culture eh.
Yes.
So what you see all around, 'di ba? You take that into your design. Ngayon.
Ano yung striking sa kanila? Is it the space? Ano yung parang yung sa pag-design mo sa ganitong kliyente? Aside from yung yung intricate details, meron pa bang lumulutang na dapat ito ang gawin sa isang master bedroom ng isang palasyo?
With any client, titingnan mo muna kung ano yung kung paano sila, how they move around. You have to learn about them themselves. I mean, like for a royal family, kung what it is that they want. Mga royal family dito, they're mostly used to big spaces, diba? Especially sa mga bathrooms, ganyan. It's taking it into the Philippine culture. Parang lahat ng spaces natin is very small. So ngayon, you could play around with it really kasi papaikutin mo talaga kasi ang daming pwedeng possibilities. So your creative mind would just flow kasi it's such a big space eh. So, ayun.
So, Melden, while you were creating that design, was there a pride in your heart knowing that you are a Filipino and yet you are doing something for
of course
something big na
a shake?
It was for a shake. Yeah, it was actually I was just helping the lead designer of it, diba, syempre. But yes, of course there was pride. Yeah, as a Filipino in Dubai and doing this project for someone that big. Syempre, 'di ba, parang you're proud of where you came from.
Yes. And where you came from? Saan ka ba galing? Bakit ka napunta sa ganitong klaseng trabaho?
Of course, I came from the Philippines, right?
Opo, saan po sa Pilipinas?
Well, we live in Laguna.
Okay.
But my mom's from Bicol.
Okay.
Also.
Bicol rin, ha?
Yes,
Fight talaga?
Fight din po.
Okay.
But my dad's from Zambales, ayan.
Okay.
So yun. But the thing is, I didn't grow up in the Philippines, eh.
Okay.
Ayun, because my dad's a US Navy. Yun.
So, saan ka lumaki?
So we traveled
a lot.
Mga naval bases?
US Naval Base.
Really? Where?
In Japan po. In Yokosuka.
Nihongo wakarimasu ka?
Hi, wakarimasu. Ewan ko. I don't know.
Domo arigato, sashimi sushi.
So, I guess from traveling, then you get to see places na gano'n.
Tsaka you widen your, perspective, your world.
But from I was just, small pa lang ako noon. But I didn't know I was gonna go into architecture naman.
So, bakit ka?
Parang I just stumbled into it.
Really?
Parang during college, yung friend ko, sabi, tara, apply na tayo sa mga colleges, ganun. And she said, come with me to Mapua. I'm gonna apply for civil engineering. I go, okay. Since I was there, I go, okay, I'll just try it. Sige. Architecture. Architecture is probably drawing lang, ganyan. So I said, okay, I'll just try it. And then eventually,
you came to love it again.
Yes, from I like drawing and I like creating new things, diba?
Ang pagiging arkitekto ba, it's just about drawing and all this. Pero does it involve measuring and all this?
Of course, yes. Architecture is a science. It's Bachelor of Science. So, there's math. And you have to know the strength of your materials and your buildings. All of that is in the curriculum naman. So, it's science and art all in one, delved in together. So, it's a vast range of knowledge and maganda siya.
I just recall, Art, Daddy Blue and Melden, and Ronald. Parang marami akong kilalang arkitekto na magagaling sa photography rin. Parang yung...
Yes. It's an art eh. Sa UAP po, we have a group called Pixar, which is also led by our president, architect Ronald Salcedo. So they help each other grow into that. It's a hobby pero could be a profession din. So yeah, oo. So,
okay. Bakit nga ba Melden ang pangalan nyo?
Because as you know, our parents like to bring their love together and they mix my name with theirs.
Melvin and
Millet po and Densho.
Densho.
Unique yan sa isang Filipino. Daddy Blue, ano bang tunay mong pangalan?
Ako?
Spanish name.
¿Cómo se llama?
Hindi, Jose at saka si Lito.
Jose Lito lang.
Jose Rizal talaga.
So
Muy último
Jose
Diyos. Fuego.
Kasi sabi nila talagang Filipino lang yung meron yung pinagdidikit yung pangalan, diba?
But I came to find from one of our clients that Melden meant something in German.
Which is?
It means to call.
So it's a calling.
Aside from
to call.
And then my last name daw, Francia.
Which is France?
Well, yeah, also. But in German it means freedom.
To call freedom.
So it's free call.
Free call.
I'm joking.
Sige. Yun po si Melden Francia, ating second guest. Siya po ay architect and project manager.
Yeah, if you want to see kung gaano kaganda tong alin na ito, tingnan nyo po ang ating Femme Wall. She is single, by the way.
Dalaga pa.
Dalaga pa
Certified,
siya. She's very good with what she does. And that's it.
Okay. Kung meron po kayong mensahe kay Melden, makitext lang po sa 4001 or mag-shout lang po sa Femme Facebook page or sa Filipino Rhythm Dubai I 103.8. Babalik po kami.
Do Live presents the Do World Music Festival in association with Samsung, featuring a fantastic lineup of Filipino artists. Be at Burj Park downtown Dubai on March the 10th to see Sarah Geronimo, Christian Bautista and Mark Bautista. Enjoy great music from around the world. Buy your tickets at any Virgin Megastores or learn more by visiting do.ae/.